Hey ladies, so are you ready to see what the end result is of my mini makeover? So just to remind you, this is a mini makeover under the kitchen sink. And if you saw the before video and some of the photos, then you saw an overcrowded and big mess. And I'll be honest and tell you, I don't think I've emptied everything out from there, maybe since I moved in 7 years ago. I think maybe once when I was away, my mom might have organized it, but it was in need of some serious love. So let me show you what it looks like, and then I'll walk you through what I did to get there. So let me just see if I can flip this camera around. Nope, won't let me. Okay, so let me show you. So the first thing I did was take everything out and threw out what I didn't need. And I'll tell you ladies that purging is key here. I found chemicals that I've had for probably 10 years or so. I got rid of those. We've also reduced the amount of chemicals that we use in our home, and we do a lot more natural cleaning. So while we still do use some cleaning wipes and some sprays and things, we got rid of a bulk of them because we just weren't using them. And a lot of them were probably at least 7 years old. So we got rid of those too. So that is key. So let me just show you what we did here and what I used. So for my dishwasher tabs, I took them out of that big container and I just put them in an snap bin. And ladies, these little things, you're gonna see 3 of them in here today. These are only $10. Like, it's amazing how just $10 can help organize under your sink. Okay, so those are in here. Now, this is the Zip Top Organizing Utility Tote. This is an older pattern, but the function is still the exact same. And what I did was I put our jet dry in here. I put our chemicals and our little wipes and our dish soap right in the top here, and this is the stuff that gets used more frequently. Also, I can tell you right now that if we had lost power, I would have had a heck of a time digging for flashlights that worked and candles. So what I did was I used the pockets here. I now have my flashlights in here. We replaced our batteries, and then I put candles in the other 2 pockets back here. So that way, if the power went out, I know exactly where my candles and flashlights are, and our home is just a little bit safer because of it. So then I also utilize these other pockets for sponges here, and in the very back, I've got rubber gloves. Now, over here, and you'll also notice, by the way, that I separated it by chemicals and non-chemicals over here. And I did this for a reason. Like I said, we've reduced the amount of chemicals that we use, and I wanted it to be easier to find the supplies that we need for whether we need to use a wipe for something or if it's something that we can use a natural-based cleaner for. So now I'll show you over here. In these 2 snap bins, I've got all of my cleaning cloths and I've got also some rags back there. These are my Norwex cloths. They're all microfiber cloths. I love to use these for cleaning. I've got a great Norwex gal if you are looking to clean a little bit more naturally. So I've got those in these 2 right here. And then this here is brand new. And this, oh my gosh, ladies, I absolutely love it. So while it is small, it holds so much. These are all of my natural cleaners. This right here is called the mini storage bin, and this is amazing. So I've got like my cleaning paste and some of my natural cleaners that I've made in here. I made room for the hydrogen peroxide and the vinegar back here, and we still have room for our trash bags. And I wanted to make sure that we could easily access our fire extinguisher in case of a fire. I can be honest and tell you that was hidden all the way in the corner. And then lastly, these are no longer in the catalog but are available online. And this is called the Snap Pocket. And I put my dusting mitt in here. And this is also what I use to clean off my my dry mop that I use. And these were both things that were getting lost, so I thought I'm just going to put them out here on the door so that way I can find them. So, ladies, I hope that you learned a lot about organizing today, and this is something that I can tell you took me less than 1 hour to do. Less than an hour. It's awesome. Also, I have to correct myself on just one thing. This is actually called the mini catch-all bin. So it's the mini version of our catch-all bin. I think I called it the mini storage bin. My bad. But this mini catch-all bin does fit quite a lot in it. So I hope you found this helpful. Stay tuned for the next Mini Makeover Monday.